Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Abdul Motaleb. Welcome to Flutter Unlimited Package series. Today I will discuss Flutter launcher icon. Here the Flutter apps, that's apps icon says need a Flutter package. Go to your browsers and search a Flutter launcher icon. This package. Search package, click installations, installing clicks. Here you can dart and Flutter. Now copy this command, go to your Android Studio project. Here this go to open terminal and here paste. Let's follow your instructions. This package recommendations. Open pubspace.yml file and here paste. That's paste, here paste. Here paste. Needs logo. Go to asset folders and logo. Here's copy path reference and path from content root. Click here and paste here. Okay, copy and hit the terminal. Okay, creating Android and iOS launcher icons with getting successfully generated icon. Okay, run the project. First of all, uninstall the apps, again install, uninstall, remove, delete. Okay, delete and again run the project. Wait few seconds. Make sure this asset logo and png pubspace.yml file and this blue had this path, that's image, that is nice blur skin and okay, wow, this is same the logo. Thank you everyone.